Berberine acts on the body in many of the same ways as exercise or fasting and even some of the most popular longevity medications that are very expensive. But it brings us to the question, can berberine actually help us live longer? And if so, how do we use it? And why aren't doctors telling us about this? Stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to share with you everything. But before we get started, I'm Dr. Nick Zyrowski. Thanks for hanging out with me in today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and let's go ahead and dive in. Now, when we look at some of the most popular longevity and anti-aging prevention experts out there from Harvard and around the world, one of the things that is a common theme is that they're using a popular type 2 diabetes medication called metformin for prevention, anti-aging, and longevity. Let me share with you from the research why they're doing this. Metformin, a widely used type 2 diabetes medication, is being studied for potential anti-aging and longevity benefits, showing promise in lowering mortality, reducing age-related disease incidence, and extending lifespan in animal studies. It works by mimicking calorie restriction and also activating something called AMPK, which is a very powerful metabolic master switch in the body. It helps reduce inflammation. Mounting evidence is showing that preclinical models in humans suggest beneficial effects in reducing the risk of age-related disease and even neurodegeneration in cancer. Now, when you hear this, you think to yourself, who wouldn't want these results? I want these results, but you know what I'm not comfortable with? Taking a type 2 diabetes medication as a perfectly healthy individual. I don't like that, and the people who come and see me in my clinic don't like that sort of thing either. But I have a solution and I have a workaround, and this is something that we do every day. We use something called berberine in order to get us great results just like they're getting with the medication. So let's talk about how this is actually offering you the longevity benefit. So first of all, when we look at berberine, it works on many of the same pathways as metformin. This is why many people actually refer to berberine as the natural metformin. So what berberine will do for you is it's going to help improve your blood sugar and your insulin sensitivity. Now, if you have chronically high blood sugar, this will lead to accelerated aging, no doubt about it. If you want to be the oldest person around, eat a lot of sugar. So if you want to lower your blood sugar, you can go and not only cut sugar out of your diet, but then utilize berberine. Berberine is going to help lower your glucose, improve insulin sensitivity, and also reduce liver glucose production. As a result of this, what could you expect? Well, you're going to get prevention. You're going to get prevention from type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and also cognitive decline. Because when you have chronically high sugar, it actually causes neurodegeneration. So here's what you're seeing here. You're seeing that you're going to get a huge amount of prevention from some of the most common diseases that people face worldwide, which is huge. But there's more to the story than that. Berberine also is going to help activate something called AMPK. This is referred to as the metabolic master switch. It's referred to as a longevity pathway because when you activate AMPK, you're going to have increased fat burning, you're going to have better mitochondrial efficiency, and you're also going to enhance cellular repair, reducing cellular senescence, which is cellular aging. Furthermore, this is something that's very cool. Most people don't know this, but when you use dihydroberberine, you activate AMPK, which we're talking about, that metabolic master switch, but then it has an effect on something called NAMPT, which is the rate-limiting enzyme that forms NAD. Increasing NAD in the body is one of the most popular longevity hacks that exists right now because it's so powerful. And berberine actually plays a role in increasing NAD in your body, which is huge. Now, what we use is a special form of berberine, which is dihydroberberine, which is 5 times more bioavailable. It's one of the best berberines on the market. What I'll do is I'll put a link in the description below. It comes directly from my clinic. The purity is fantastic. The quality is there. And because it's 5 times more bioavailable, it offers great results. So the link is in the description below to this quality berberine called Berberine ER. Now let's take this a step further. This berberine is going to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Aging is heavily driven by chronic inflammation. Disease, like cancer, is highly driven by chronic inflammation. Berberine helps lower your inflammation markers and reduce oxidative damage, okay? This is going to slow something often referred to in the body as inflammaging, because inflammation is highly correlated with accelerated aging. So this is another key benefit. Now, going back to the cardiovascular part of this, okay, and this is important because cardiovascular disease, heart attacks, strokes, all of these cardiovascular related issues is the #1 cause of premature death worldwide, right? So now you're starting to see the anti-aging benefits of this, right? Well, when you use berberine, it's going to help improve lipids in cardiovascular health. Berberine can lower your LDLs, reduce your triglycerides, and also improve your vascular function. Cardiovascular disease, as I mentioned, is the #1 killer. If we reduce the risk of your cardiovascular disease, we automatically promoted anti-aging and longevity. So here's the thing. When we look at how we could actually keep ourselves healthy long term, we can actually use the natural method. So yes, I know all the longevity experts are going and using a type 2 diabetes medication called metformin. However, that's a little bit complicated because then you're going to have to go to your doctor, you're going to have to get a prescription, and most doctors aren't going to want to give this to you for longevity purposes. But here's the thing. As I said before, people like myself, I'm not comfortable with being on a medication for longevity like this. However, what I am comfortable doing and comfortable utilizing in my clinic as a way of promoting longevity is something like berberine. There are little to no potential side effects. There's a huge upside to it, and it's natural. And that's one of the things I love the most about it. So the question becomes, well, how do we use it then? Here's how I use it. I actually will take someone who is just looking to promote longevity, and I will cycle them on and off berberine throughout the year. So maybe once a quarter, you take berberine for 30 days. And this is once again referring to a healthy individual who's not necessarily trying to lose weight, who's not necessarily worried about their cardiovascular health. It's just somebody who's looking to promote longevity. If you're somebody now who has a lot of health concerns such as high cholesterol, and you have high blood pressure, and you have high blood sugar, and you have insulin resistance, then you would actually benefit from utilizing berberine on the regular to help reduce your risk of disease and get all of these different metabolic markers under control. So as I mentioned from the onset, berberine can be used as a powerful way to promote anti-aging and longevity in the body. And how we would use it in a healthier individual is just cycle on and off of it throughout the year. And furthermore, this berberine is going to help stimulate NAD in the body. And if we want to get the best results with the berberine, we want to use the most scientifically bioavailable berberine available, dihydroberberine, which I'll put a link in the description below to the Berberine ER. If you enjoyed this video, I think you'll love this one next.